It was the perfect romance.
That's how much I love you, baby.
It was the perfect wedding.
Is it hard?
What?
Getting married. I have tons of stories about you and women.
But most of all,
My client has agreed to settle for
$1,000.
it was the perfect con.
Oh, and she keeps the Mercedes.
Angela and Paige aren't just partners in crime.
I'm in terrific shape. Feel my butt.
I am not feeling your butt again, Mother. Okay, we all know it's wonderful.
Their family.
One more con. No more small-time crap. Has to be big.
Oh my God! She's cracked her head open!
We can only let you have this suite for one night.
I can make men do anything.
You can make boys do anything.
Hey, can I get you a drink?
Why'd you walk all the way over here to ask to get me a drink?
Because I'm the bartender.
Now they've found their man.
William B. Tenzi, CEO of Tenzi Tobacco.
How much?
$3 billion.
We'd better work fast.
They're making their move.
Just call me Olga.
But just when they're about to cash in,
Oh, I'm terribly sorry.
We're talking a settlement of $20 million minimum.
You seem very dedicated to your work.
one will slip up.
I'm in love with you.
I saw you with your boyfriend.
I am in complete control.
I saw the kiss. Your eyes were closed.
And the other will be found out.
Angela! You're her mother? That's not very friendly.
Oh yeah, she's a delicate flower.
Sigourney Weaver, Jennifer Love Hewitt, Ray Liotta,
All the fish! Got it.
Jason Lee, and Gene Hackman. Heartbreakers.
Do you have any idea how much therapy you people need?